Through a major modernization effort at the Granville Clean Water Plant, Hillard Electric delivered a new cogeneration power system focused on reliability, long-term performance, and operational savings. Today, half of the facility's electrical demand is generated on-site through the new cogeneration system. By reducing energy costs, the city can invest more resources back into maintaining critical infrastructure. At Hillard Electric, serving the Midwest and beyond means more than completing electrical work. It means helping critical facilities operate with stronger, safer, and more efficient systems today and into the future.
Most of our clients are long-term returning clients because they trust us.
Never disappointed me in multiple years of service.
Hillard's very proactive, looking at what we have, what they think we'll need in the future. They just follow through with everything that they say they're going to do.
Whether that is a Sunday emergency call out, a pre-planning construction meeting, whether that's a in-the-field installation, they always far exceed my expectations.
The result is a more resilient system built to reduce downtime, meet regulatory demands, and support the future of clean water for the community. Reliable infrastructure, smarter energy, trusted partnership. That's Hillard Electric.